Hello. Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to be touring a beautiful agave floor plan built by Taylor Morrison right here in Leander in the Bluffview community. This one is 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom, 3104 square footage. And guess what, guys? This model is now available in Travisso, Leander, Texas, for you to build. Travisso is a very highly desirable community that everybody is wanting to build a agave floor plan now. This has become one of the most popular floor plans over there that has been inquired about. So if you're thinking of wanting to build this floor plan in any of the communities, reach out to me, let me know. I can get you guys started. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press that subscribe button, as we're going to be touring the model homes, talking about real estate, tips on buyers and sellers, and obviously you guys get to look at some design options while we're touring these beautiful model homes right here in Texas. We're walking into the study room right here on your right hand side. You do have an option to keep that open, how it looks right now, or you have an option to have the doors closed if needed. But look at how huge this study room is. Now we're going to be entering the laundry room right here. What I love about this one is got a window, a sink, cabinets. Obviously that's something that if you guys want to add, you can. Bit of an extra storage. Sometimes I do recommend, if the builder can make it more useful, is going all the way towards the stairs, making it more room for your storage. But that's something you should have a talk with the builder, or if you have a realtor, obviously an experienced one can help you out with that. And I love these waterfall quartz countertops. It just makes it such a clean cut look. So this is an upgrade. If you guys are wanting that in your design options, make sure you let them know. Guys, get some design inspiration here. You can do so much with your homes. Get ideas, decoration. Here we go, look at the pantry, which I like to look and see, especially for women that are cooking a lot. We love to have our pantry to be huge and enough space to store a lot of spices if you're cooking. And then guys, here is the pot filler, which you can add at your design option if you need to. Another thing that I love about this home is this space right here in your dining area. Look at the amount of windows that this space has, the natural sunlight. I would probably call it as my own sunroom if I needed to, but for those that love the natural sunlight, this is the space for you. And obviously look at the light fixtures that this model home has. We're going to be walking into the backyard, and the patio is also very spacious. As you can see, you can walk out. There's still enough space to have that table, enjoy the evenings in your backyard patio, have the family entertainment. So it's very spacious to just throw a party or just a get together. Another feature that I know a lot of buyers like is the high ceilings, and this model has that. You can see those ceilings are very high, open, making it look very spacious. Good airflow. This model has 2 bedrooms downstairs. We had that guest room that we saw first, and now we will go ahead and see the master bedroom. Natural lighting coming from the top windows too. So guys, this model has lots of windows, and that's why it's a very attractive floor plan, especially now that it's being built in the Travisso Leander community. Okay, let's go ahead and walk into this spacious master bedroom. Again, very lit. Love the backsplash over here that they have done in this bathroom, and then the way they have decorated, very cozy, and just the nice finishes that they have done. There's the extra linen closet. Here we're walking into a master closet, which goes into your laundry room, which I love. Very open floor plan, guys. You can see you can have a family entertainment, and you can see everybody in that one space. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and see what is something that you like about this floor plan, or what would you like to see on this channel. What model homes? What do you want to know about Austin, Texas? What do you want to know about real estate? As we come upstairs, what I like is the open space right here. Also, you can see all the bedrooms from the top. Again, look at the light fixtures, some ideas. Here we have that open to below feeling for those that love the high ceilings. walking into a media room. Upstairs, this model home has 2 bedrooms over here. One of them has a huge closet, and the other one is just a normal size closet. You have the bathroom over here, full bathroom. This one has the normal closet. This bedroom that we're gonna see, it's one of my favorite bedrooms in this model house. Look how gigantic this one is. It is huge. And the walk-in closet is so massive. For a bedroom, I have not seen this big of a walk-in closet in a bedroom. Here we have its own personal bathroom. So you have 2 bathrooms upstairs, 2.5 downstairs, total 4 bedroom. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the model home tour. If you have any questions, please comment them below. Let me know what you guys liked in this model home. And if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and press that subscribe button. Until next time, I'll see you again. Thanks for watching.